to share our heart of love that we feel for one another. It's a holiday, love we share. We like to share it on special days. It's the day that Jesus Christ was born. Thank you for another year. Thanksgiving, yeah. We're talking about the soul, yeah. It's a holiday, love we share. We like to share it on special days. 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 In celebration, filled with holiday cheer,